Memories. Life experiences are encoded as memories. Life experiences, memories, identity, beliefs, thoughts, actions. What we do is obviously encoded as a memory. And we do certain things in our lives, both positive and negative, because of memories. Somebody taught you, or you taught yourself by looking at someone do what you do today. So our lives are basically affected or determined by the memories that we have. And you can have very, very good memories, and you can also have really bad memories that have affected your life up to today. But you know what? I'm here to tell you that you do not need to dwell on the bad memories. Bad memories can be changed into good memories. How do we change that? You can change a bad memory by going into that memory, remembering that memory, and taking the good, even if it was a bad. What is the good? It was look for the lesson that event was meant to teach you or taught you, and then change your belief system on it. See it as positive and move on. Because to dwell on one of the most damaging things that we can do to ourselves as human beings is to allow ourselves to dwell on bad memories. Bad memories can hinder our present existence, and it can hinder our manifestation. We can find ourselves not able to move forward and manifest the life that we desire because we're stuck in the past. We're stuck with this bad memory. No, it's not up to us in the present to think that, or to want to do away with that memory. That bad memory has got to be acknowledged. Look for the lesson and move on. If your life is consistent of worry, of need to find, if your life is consistent of worry, you need to go into your memory box and find that what is it that happened in my past? What brings about this memory, that is a hindrance to my life? You go there, you find the memory, and you deal with it, and you also have to counteract it with a good memory that, okay, fine, this happened, but I also remember this good thing that happened that will counteract. So you then make your mind remember the good memory more than the bad memory. The bad memory, you are going to just realize it and take it to the next level because of the good memory, because of the lesson that you've picked up to go forward with it. We have to change our past. To change our past, you have to change your memory. Memory, guys, are what get us stuck in life, and we've got to color our dreams, color our memory, and for us to go into the future that is desired, for us to become better version of ourselves. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the other side. I will see you on the next video. Subscribe, guys. It will help the channel to grow, and when it grows, this message will reach many people, and we need this message. I love you. Cheers.